Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Vicky's Space here on YouTube. So today's video is a mukbang video. As you can see, I am fully prepared for this mukbang. If you see me, you know that this guy is up to something. I'm fully prepared for this mukbang. And this mukbang, as a bona fide Idoma girl, as a full-blooded Idoma girl, I decided to come with my Idoma attire. This is my Idoma attire, beautifully tied by my lovely sister. She did the time for me, the Igele, and I'm so happy about it. So today's mukbang is about my people, the Idoma people of Benue State. So today we'll be eating Okoho soup. This is Okoho soup. Okoho soup is number one Idoma delicacy. And this soup, you can't just cook it like this. This is egusi cake, this is meat, this is dry fish, and this is your garden egg. Yeah, I don't know why we put the garden egg, but sure, probably garden egg gives same taste, vegetable sorry, bitter leaf gives in soup, so probably that's why we use bitter leaf. We use garden egg for this soup instead of bitter leaf. And you see this soup, in my place we don't add oil, but states like Kogi State also eat it, and I believe them they add oil, but Benue State we don't add oil. We cook it just like that, and it draws like, if you eat this soup or more, you will not even want to give to anybody. Just this Okoho is not just a soup, it has so many health benefits. It's medicinal, it serves as herbs, and as a pregnant woman it's good for you to aid free delivery. So I think I've said enough already. Let's eat our Okoho soup. There's a special way to eat it though. You cannot just eat Okoho like your every other soup. This soup is sweet. Everything about it is everything about it is delicious. While growing up as a child, I don't like Okoho soup, but I don't even know why. But now I can keep for this soup. And the Okoho soup is best cooked in a clay pot and best eaten in a clay plate. That's why I got. That's why I got my clay plate. So join me. I think I did a video on how to extract it. So you can go and watch that video. Only Idoma people will understand. More. This soup, if you don't know how to eat it, you just disgrace yourself. This soup is heavenly. You guys are invited. Cut. Cut. Okay. You can see we are done. Almost done. Mm. Okoho soup is babe. This soup is heavenly. I'm eating it and eating it in this clay pot makes everything overly interesting. This is a egusi cake, egusi ball. It is called ichani in my place. This is the garden egg. It is called ikpepi. Mm. The video I did some time ago, I showed how to preserve okoho for those of you that are outside Nigeria that want to carry okoho along. If you are scared to carry the stick, you can go back and watch that video. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. If you watch this video to this very point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please share my video. Please share my video. And if you're just seeing me for the first time and you're wondering who is this, my name is Ode Victoria. So see ya.